break with some soup from yesterday, and I need to label my folders, and I need to figure out what I'm doing with these folders, and I'm kind of just trying to organize everything. But this has been, all these folders pretty much are free because my son gets them where he works. So these are from my finances that I got to get together, logging my finances a bit, calendar, try to keep my calendar clean without a lot of commitments. Books I've been reading, I need to take notes in this book before I return it. Library here is like, we don't do late fees. You just have to pay for the book if you don't return it. So there's receipts from my husband's truck in there. I have a lot of stuff from New Hampshire that I took with me. I just threw it in the, in my car. So I do use planners. I'm trying to get more organized. Phone numbers in case something happens to my phone. Envelopes, stamps, just in case. Oh, let me see. I found some labels. I had forgotten I had some. Great. I can work on that today. Folders. Some things I just like folders for. So I am really working at getting more organized. My son gave me a bunch of index card holders. I will probably use those. Just taking a break so I can think about what I want to do.